Hi, my name is Timothy Frankstone. I'm a user development specialist with NASA Earthdata, and today we'll be taking a look at how to navigate data pathfinders on NASA Earthdata. Pathfinders are web pages for specific scientific topics and are a convenient way to find relevant content like news, datasets, and research tools. Pathfinders are subsets of topics, broad categories like atmosphere, climate indicators, and solid Earth. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the ocean topic. Here on the ocean topic page, we have an overview of the topic as well as some helpful links. You can access a wide variety of NASA data, articles, and tutorials through here, but we're going to narrow our focus a bit today and check out the list of subtopics here. Let's take a closer look at ocean circulation. This is the Pathfinder page on ocean circulation. In addition to scrolling through, we can always navigate this page by using the menus at the top, either this kind of in-page menu here to jump to different sections, or at the top, this black menu here if you want to navigate to different sections of NASA Earthdata. First, we have two links at the top for the Earthdata forum and Earthdata login. If you ever come across questions when navigating Earthdata, the Earthdata forum is a great place to interact with subject matter experts and other users of NASA data. The overview of the topic here will usually identify some of the key platforms and variables relevant to the topic at hand. On the right is the Data and Tools link. This is your quick link to all of NASA's datasets and tools for the relevant topic. Here we can see a long list of relevant datasets, which you can filter by platform, instrument, project, or you can just search directly for the dataset that you need if you already know what you're looking for. Below this, we have the Featured Observation Methods section. This highlights a specific platform or instrument relevant to the topic at hand with easy links to more information and data access. At the bottom, we also have a link to our data tools. These are useful services that can help you subset, visualize, and download NASA data so you can more easily integrate it into your own workflow. Heading back to our main Pathfinder page here, there are a couple other sections to explore. This How to Use section contains links to help you see how to integrate this data into your work. These can be training and tutorials, information on new data releases, or articles on how other researchers have leveraged this data for their own work. The link here will bring you to all relevant materials for learning how to access and use this data. Below this, we have our Discover and Visualize section. In addition to another way to access the data and tools we mentioned before, this has a link to the Data Catalog, a search engine for NASA datasets. The data catalog clearly identifies the temporal coverage, spatial extent, and publication date of different datasets. It also provides filters for narrowing your results by time, location, mission, and other relevant variables to help you get to exactly the data that you need for your project. This is the general layout for a data pathfinder. Most of them are constructed this way, but some of them have additional links. Let's take a look at another one. So we're going to go to air quality here. And you can see that while it's laid out the same way, there are a couple links that we don't see on the ocean page. For example, the publication links here will lead to a list of published papers that use relevant NASA data in their work. You can review this to see what other researchers are doing and how others have integrated this data into their workflows. The near real-time data link here is available for some specific topics and provides a direct link to datasets for near real-time data that can be integrated into research projects. Overall, data pathfinders are a great place to start your Earth science research, linking you to the tools you need to find, understand, and start using NASA remote sensing data.